to supper bus. Oh my God! Sorry. I have to calm down. Hey. Can you tell me where's Pao Ing? Ah, you cannot speaking English. Okay. I'm very nice to want to sit.
Macam mana comelnya?
My head. Oh my God, my head! Who buzzing the bottle to me? Hey, turn the gun. Come here. Are you burning the bottle to me?
Ayah,
Are you understand what about?
Apa?
Are you burning the bottle to me?
Cakap.
Are you burning the bottle to me? The kind of shit. No.
Kenapa suara dia macam nak terlondeh ni?
My nose. Don't mind. You burning the bottle to me?
Not me.
Don't mind.
Okay.
Actually,
Ya?
I want to ask my English. Yes. Beautiful.
Apa buat
Can you tell me where's the Pao Ing?
Pau?
Pao Ing.
Okay, ini kot. Aku dah. Fruit pau. Fruit pau at the pasar.
No, actually, I want to know where's the Pao Ing.
Pau?
Yeah, it's not the
Pao?
Pao.
Go straight, don't belok-belok.
Oh,
Kat situ lah.
I already heard that words to the TV.
Oh, alamak, kantor
Oh,
lah.
there you lempar my spectacles, my sunglasses.
Apa ni? Tetel-tetel ni, alamak.
I want to fly and kick you. You want? I'm black belt taekwondo. I'm very
Apa
sorry.
dia buat ni? Ni mamat ni.
Yes, can you tell me where's the Pao Ing actually?
Kan aku dah cakap kat pasar buah bau tu.
I don't understand what you're skipping.
Ha?
I don't understand what you're skipping.
Ya,
Aku
dia dah
skipping.
salah. Kita berdiri ni, dia kata kita main skipping. Ya, aku pun tak tahulah. Alah, biasalah orang putih. Bukan dia tahu pun bodoh pun kat sini. Kalau kita main-main pun bukan dia tahu.
What are you talking to me?
We talking nothing.
Oh, kamu sangka saya tidak pandai berbahasa Melayu? Belajar di Malaysia selama 3 bulan 2 minit 3 saat.
Kalau minta maaf lah, kita orang saja je.
Kamu ini tidak berbahasa bahasa betul. Mau kena fly tip. Malu. Ini kamu. Jangan, saya tiada kemaluan. Ini kamu. Selesa sikit. Inikah dinyatakan budaya bahasa Melayu kita? Kurang ajar betul orang. Cakap apa? Okay.
Okay. Belajar kita orang sebenarnya dari